Ever wondered what lurks in the shadows of your star sign? Brace yourselves as we plunge into the dark side of the Zodiac's top 5 signs. Just as the moon has a dark side, so do the signs of the Zodiac. This idea, often referred to as the shadow or dark side, is a fundamental aspect of astrology. Each sign of the Zodiac, from Aries to Pisces, has its unique set of positive traits. But much like humans, they also possess challenges and shadow aspects. These shadow traits could be anything from a fiery temper to an icy detachment, and understanding them is crucial to comprehending our complex human nature. So, are you ready to explore the depths of your astrological identities? Buckle up, as we reveal the criteria we use to select the top 5 zodiac signs with the most notable shadow traits. Sliding into the 5th place of our ranking, we have the fiery Aries. Known for their passion and determination, the shadow side of Aries reveals a tendency towards impulsiveness and impatience. They can be headstrong, rushing into situations without considering the consequences, but remember, it's the same fiery spirit that fuels their drive and ambition. Moving on, in 4th place, we find the ever-changing Gemini. Their dual nature is often a source of intrigue, but it can also lead to inconsistency. Geminis may struggle with indecisiveness and can be perceived as being two-faced. Yet it's this same duality that makes them adaptable and able to see different perspectives. As we explore the shadow traits of these zodiac signs, it's important to remember that these challenges are just one side of the coin. They coexist with their positive traits, creating a unique blend that makes each sign special. As we ascend the ranks, the shadow traits intensify. Ready to meet the 3rd sign in our list? Holding the 3rd position in our ranking, we find the fiercely independent Aquarius. This air sign is known for its intellect, creativity, and humanitarian spirit. But the dark side of Aquarius can be aloofness, stubbornness, and a tendency to detach emotionally. Imagine a brilliant scientist who sometimes forgets to empathize with the people around them. That's our Aquarius in the shadows. Moving on to the 2nd place, we come across the fiery, passionate Scorpio. This water sign is intense, loyal, and deeply emotional. However, the shadow side of Scorpio can manifest as jealousy, secrecy, and a propensity to manipulate. Picture a best friend who always has your back, but may struggle with trust issues, and you've got a glimpse of the Scorpio's darker traits. We're about to unveil the zodiac sign with the most intense dark side. Can you guess which one it is? At the top of our ranking, the zodiac sign with the most challenging dark side is Scorpio. Yes, the intense and passionate Scorpion takes the crown. This sign is known for its depth and complexity, and its shadow side is no exception. Scorpios are often criticized for being secretive, manipulative, and possessive. Their intense emotions can sometimes overwhelm them, leading them to act in ways that are less than ideal. For example, a Scorpio might hold on to grudges for a long time, or they might use their keen understanding of others to manipulate situations to their advantage. But don't despair, Scorpios. These traits, when acknowledged and managed, can also be your greatest strengths. Your intensity can lead to deep connections with others, and your ability to understand people can make you a great leader. So there you have it. But remember, acknowledging these traits is only the first step towards understanding and growth. We all have a dark side, but understanding it can lead to personal growth and improved relationships. The cosmos, in its infinite wisdom, has bestowed upon us a guide, a celestial blueprint, which can help us navigate our own shadow traits. Each zodiac sign carries its own unique set of challenges, but these challenges are not designed to hinder us. Instead, they serve as catalysts, propelling us towards self-discovery and personal transformation. Now, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Perhaps you've noticed certain shadow traits in your own sign that we've discussed today. Or maybe you have insights into other signs' dark sides that could shed more light on this intriguing topic. Your experiences and perspectives not only enrich this conversation, but also help us all gain a deeper understanding of the complex tapestry that is the Zodiac. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe for more fascinating insights into astrology and the mysteries of the Zodiac, and remember, turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.